these chords from the song Doesn't Matter by Benee are super cool. Listen to this. 1, 2, 3, 4. G major 7, C major 7. The B minor 7. And the A minor 7. And the F major 7. I know it doesn't matter. I know it doesn't matter. Really nice jazzy intermediate level chords, which I think is going to be really fun for you to learn. You can use them in a bunch of other songs. It doesn't have to be just this song. But they're very nice and they're very unique voicing. So usually you play a major 7 chord like this on a guitar, C major 7, which still sounds nice, but it doesn't have that high major 7th note. So very nice lo-fi indie type chords and really cool. And then the minor 7, usually you play a minor 7 chord like this. B minor 7, but she plays it like, or you play it like this, but I think she plays it like this. Okay, so let me quickly show you the chord shapes, and then from there we can carry on. So if we do a close up here, the first one is a major 7, and we're going to use this shape. Now you can use this without the thumb if you're not comfortable playing with the thumb, but the thumb and the middle finger are going to be in the same fret. Or you could play it like this if you're not comfortable using the thumb. Okay. And this is going to be a root note, the one at the top. So if this is on a G, it's a G major 7. If it's on an A, it's an A major 7. If it's on a C here at the 8th fret, it's a C major 7. So one shape, G major 7, C major 7. G major 7, C major 7. You can play the string open, definitely with a G, but with a C it doesn't sound that good, so I would avoid it. Okay, but it's not that bad. It makes it a major 9 chord. Okay, and then the minor 7 shape you play it like this, the easy way. So let's do a B minor 7. So the top one is your root note again. Let me just mark that for everybody. Okay, so the top one is your root note. So this is a B minor 7 because it's at the 7th fret. It's B, G, A, B. Same thing, you can play the D string open. Make sure to mute the 5th string with this finger going down there. And then A minor 7. Last chord is the F major 7, which is just the normal shape. So these chords are in the key of G, except the F chord, which is a very common non-diatonic chord. Now non-diatonic just means it's out of the key of the song, so it's not in the normal major key, it just goes out of the key for that chord. So very nice. The things you can make with these chords are basically, especially if you add a D9 to it. It's a D9 or a D7, which has the same function. You can create some really nice chord progressions. Like let me play around and you can play along with me. Now we're going to go to C. To A minor 7, to a D7. Really nice. I got a bit carried away there and didn't give the names of what I was doing, but I'm pretty sure you'll be able to figure it out. So that's it. Happy jamming. Cheers, guys.